We are born of two universes, each of them imperfect, each afflicted with the cancer of organic life. From their ruins, a new universe shall be forged in the fire of the stones of reality and space. All life remade in our image, in steel, free from the sins of the flesh. We are Ultron Sigma. We are your god.
X.
Strider!
Captain America, our teams are in position. The enemy's forces are massing at the palace gates.
Then let's not keep them waiting. Heroes, move out! I'll lend you my shield anytime.
With us together, this'll be a sin.
Ready! Fight! Attack! Ha! Counter! Ha! Cool! Yes! Air combo! Counter! Shield slash! Danger! Air combo! Level 2!
Chun-Li? Captain Marvel? Shall we?
You guys don't know when to quit, do you?
Here they come!
Ready! Fight! First attack! Yes! Danger! Down! Danger! Down! Great! Level 2! Yes! Yes! 3! Danger! Danger! Down! Super! Counter! Down!
Ready for round 3?
Different streets, same fight.
Doctor Strange!
Heroes of both dimensions, welcome to ours. The Prince of Asgard has come home. Go, show him what we've made of you.
Vengeance for Asgard! Sir Arthur, not bad. for one so small.
And you, Thor, are indeed mighty for a heathen god. What's this? Fresh fodder!
No! Stay your lance! My people. What has become of them?
Thor.
No need to panic, big guy. They're just taking a nap. They'll be fine. Eventually.
Stark? Spencer?
Nice weapon, Lancelot. Compensating for something?
Only your foolishness, Iron Man.
Ha-ha! I like him!
Ready! Fight! First attack! Air combo! Danger! Yeah!
Blow, mighty north wind!
Air combo!
My might!
Yes!
Thunder!
Counter! Counter! Danger! Level 1! Air combo! Yeah! 7-6. 8-6. 9-6. Come on, Hawkeye. Man, this is getting embarrassing.
Let's call it a tie.
Yo, Dante. Out of ammo. Can the ladies come out to play?
For you, Rocket, anything. Be good.
Ebony, Ivory, care to dance?
Ready! Fight!
Here's a bonus.
Air combo! Good! Danger! Air combo! Level 2 spectacular! Yeah! Level 2 air combo! Great! Danger! Air combo! Level 3!
Let's dance! Rock and roll!
Excellent!
Damn, these things are like cockroaches. Have care, Commander Redfield. These were once my people. Even now, they fight well.
This was my home too, Thor. Ultron Sigma's going to pay for what he's done.
Ready! Fight! First encounter! Super! Danger! Air combo!
Boomerang cutter! More!
Courage, my friend. I swear I will release you from Ultron Sigma's grasp, or die trying.
Where's Dr. Strange? Captain?
Doctor, can you get us in?
The convergence has left Asgard's magic weakened. We can breach the prison's walls from here.
Good. Commander Redfield. Chris, you ready? I'll take that as a yes.
This prisoner better have the answers we need.
He will.
He has to. Or this is the end.
Doctor?
Do you feel it? This psychic maelstrom of torment and despair.
Yeah, it sucks.
Every prison's the same.
Yeah, done a lot of hard time, huh?
No. But I've put a lot of punks like you away.
Hmm? Halt!
We can't let them sound the alarm. Take them down!
So much for the secret mission.
Ready. Fight!
Murder ya!
Yes!
This is it.
Oh no. Nah, bad idea.
Rocket? What is it?
Seriously? You know who this is, right? Doc, back me up here!
Commander,
We've got a job to do. We're not leaving without him.
We can't hold these guys off forever!
Redfield knows what he's doing.
They're a small team. Agile. They'll get the job done.
Cap, this is Hawkeye. We're out of time. He's coming.
You see Ultron Sigma?
I've got a clear shot.
Take it. All teams, engage! Go, go, go!
You still dare challenge us, Prince of Asgard?
You shall pay for what you've done to my people! Spencer, with me! I shall remove you from that throne, villain!
Fools, our will is law. We will destroy you.
Ready! Fight!
Get inside! Your end! I'll obliterate you!
Level 2.
Useless. This is perfect! Useless. 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 Learn well. Destroy!
Awesome! Ready for this?
Useless. Explode! Activating
Maximum!
melt!
Super!
Weak lightning! Weak! Useless! Useless!
Blow, mighty North Wind!
Pitiful. Do you see now how powerless you truly are? Not for your people, Thor. They have achieved perfection. And soon, you shall be their prince once more. Commander Redfield, did you have something to add? Some great insight?
You're going down, Ultron Sigma!
That's it? Some banal cliché? It's fitting that those would be your final words.
Doctor, get us out of here! With pleasure, Captain.
Good.
Our intel was right. Ultron Sigma has 2 of the Infinite Six.
The stones you spoke of.
6 cosmic stones of infinite power.
And probably the cause of all this mess.
If he has 2, where are the other 4?
That's what we're here to find out.
Thor, you sure you're all right?
Thank you, my friend. But it will take more than a candy-colored cloud to slay the God of Thunder. Save your concern for the people of Asgard.
The mask appears to be some kind of neuroinhibitor, suppressing the captive's psionic abilities. This is no small task, but I was able to generate a containment field that emulates that effect. We're ready to remove his restraints.
Good. Do it.
Hold that thought. Tell me you're not seriously planning on taking that thing off him.
We need him to talk.
I'll make him talk.
You think the prisoner can lead us to these Infinity Stones?
Stark and Rocket say he's dangerous.
No, I said insanely dangerous.
Please, will somebody just tell me who he is?
Thanos, the Mad Titan. Cosmic warlord / lunatic. And Death's boy toy.
Death.
You know, the Grim Reaper, but she's a lady or a skeleton lady. It's complicated. Anyway, Loverboy here's almost destroyed the universe multiple times trying to impress her.
And you want to give him access to these stones? There must be some other way.
We're out of options and out of time. Take off the mask.
I'm sorry, Cap. I can't let you do it.
I'm ready for any fight.
Hope you paid up on your health insurance.
Ready! Dante! Fight! Cool! Mixing it up!
Not too shabby. Back off! Back off! Back off! Back off! Unity!
Let's speed things up! Mixing it up! Level 3! Mixing it up! Keep it inside! Move your feet! Ortiz! Charging star! Excellent! Good! Level 2! Steel slash! Dante!
I understand why you hesitate. We have all lost something. Friends, family, a home. But with the power of the Infinity Stones, we can defeat Ultron Sigma, undo the horrors he has wrought. Asgard might rise once more. The dead might live again.
Yeah, because that always works out great.
Thanos alone can lead us to the Infinity Stones. He is bound to them. It is the only way.
Yeah, well, I want it on record that this is a bad idea.
If this goes south, if your bloodhound slips his leash, it's on you.
Go ahead, Doctor. Remove the mask.
By the vapors of Voltor, which do all things conceal.
You have doomed yourselves. The imminent danger comes not from me, but from one of your own.
What the hell's happening to him?
He's infected with the Sigma virus.
Careful. There's still a chance he's alive in there. Take him down easy.
Easy? You gotta be kidding me.
Forgive me, my friend, but this must be done.
Ready. Fight! Attack! Counter! Right on the mark! Right on the mark! Here we go! Here's the bolt! Out of here! Triple arrow! Double one! Here we go!
Tiresome creatures. Why do you resist?
Ultron Sigma!
In the flesh, as it were. Though not our own. We had a dream. Our two diseased realities united to form a single, perfect universe. With all biological life remade in our image. Yet still, here you are.
You'll find we're stubborn like that.
Yes, but you'll change. As your companion Thor has. He is a part of us now. Purified. Immaculate. The Sigma virus will infect you all in time. Accept our gift. Or be destroyed.
He's trying to go to Ultron Sigma! Stop him!
Cap, Quinjet 1 is back. What now?
It's Gamora!
We got the tower's SOS and headed home.
Nova, glad you're safe. It's been a long day. What did you find up there on No Moon?
Trouble.
Ultron Sigma has formed an alliance with No Moon's Imperator, Grandmaster Mayo. They are massing an army against us. Their numbers growing each day.
Hey, Gamora. That's my favorite assassin.
Rocket.
There's more. Mayo is testing some kind of biological weapon. A gas.
The Sigma virus.
Gamora, there's something you should know. We have Thanos.
Thanos? You brought him here? Why?
If we're gonna stop Ultron Sigma, we need the Infinity Stones.
He will not help you. And if by some chance Thanos does obtain the stones, he will show us no mercy.
He raised you as his own. Convince him.
Daughter, have you come to beg for my help?
You would let Ultron Sigma have his way? Soon there will be no one left for you to slay for your mistress' death. You have no choice. Help us.
Release me, and I will give you what you want.
No deal, Thanos.
Yeah, if trust is a two-way street, right now you're lying in a ditch at the side of the road.
Give us cause to trust you. Help us to find the Infinity Stones.
Very well. I will guide you to them. There are 6 stones, each granting its bearer dominion over some facet of existence. Ultron Sigma has 2, of reality and space. Those of time, of the soul, of power, and of the mind are still to be found. Assemble your teams. There is much to be done.
Follow them. They will lead us to the stones. Soon, the Infinite Six will be ours.